Levels of awareness or consciousness and brainwave entrainment. Very interesting video. Please watch. There are four different levels of consciousness, each with its own degrees of awareness. Four levels of awareness. The first one is conscious, second one is subconscious, third one is superconscious, the fourth one is unconscious. The first one, conscious mind. It is the most aware and is what we use to think, reason, and make decisions. From the age 1 to 7, we are just developing conscious mind using theta brainwave state. Conscious mind is the working and waking state, and most of the times we are in this state. Subconscious. The subconscious mind is responsible for our emotions and automatic behaviors like driving a car or riding a bike. Superconscious. The superconscious mind is sometimes referred to as the higher self. It is a state of pure awareness that's beyond the individual ego and it accessing universal knowledge. This is also otherwise known as superconscious as the infinite intelligence. Unconscious. The unconscious mind is the deepest level of consciousness where memories and instincts are stored. Some people used to consider this as subconscious mind. Each level of consciousness has its own purpose and functions, and they are all interconnected. So, what happens in one level can affect the others. For example, if you have a traumatic experience in life, it can be stored in your unconscious mind and influence your behavior even though you are not aware of it. Brainwaves and the levels of awareness. There are generally 5 levels of brainwave range. One is beta, second is alpha, third is theta, then fourth one is gamma and delta. Brainwave influence the levels of awareness. For example, beta, it involves in awake and alert. Alpha, alpha deep relaxation. Theta, meditation and hypnosis. Delta, deep sleep. Gamma, the higher level of cognitive functions and the REM sleep. Brainwave entrainment. Brainwave entrainment is a method to stimulate the brain into entering a specific state in alpha theta status by using a pulsing sound, light, or electromagnetic field. Our comprehensive review indicated clearly that it is an effective therapeutic tool, and the research on brainwave entrainment clearly demonstrated that it reduced anxiety and pain in day surgery patients, prevented migraines, treated muscle pain, benefited children with behavioral problems, and many, many more. So it is very clear that brainwave entrainment is highly useful technique. Brainwave entrainment. How one can achieve it? There are two methods by which one can utilize this method. One is by binaural beats, and the second one is isochronic tones. With this, one can achieve the required level of awareness. So we are going to see more on brainwave entrainment techniques for improvement. in our part 2 video.
Thanks for
Thanks
watching.
for watching the video.
Don't forget to hit the
Don't
subscription
forget to
button. We will
hit the
see in
subscription
the
button.
part 2 video.
Thank you. We
Thank
will
you.
see
Bye
you in the
bye.
next video.